So.
Okay, hello people. I am here in Landmannalaugar. Here is a natural spring, and this is just like the hot tub, and this is very popular. Quite many people here, and I recommend you to go here. This is in the Highlands. There's a very popular track here, 55 kilometers here from Landmannalaugar over to Thorsmörk. They just had a competition here 2 days ago, and here people are enjoying this. I'm gonna show you. The hotter water here comes from the lava area here, what you can see on the picture, and here it is coming, flushing down hot from underneath the lava. So beautiful colors on this area. Landmannalaugar. The roads are not beautiful here, they are very uncomfortable, they are like a washing board, but when you are here it's worth it. So, is this not the case to go to Iceland and visit this place? I would think so. So, you know where to contact. Iceland is Niceland at Gmail. You can send mail there if you want to go traveling. I take a good plan for you around the country. And yeah, go to my homepage www.icelandisniceland.com. One thing, can you do me a favor that are watching this on FB and YouTube? Can you share this on your site? I want more people to see this Icelandic nature and enjoy it, and maybe come here to Iceland later on. Enjoy the time and have a good time.
Good.